Fancy a new car, but something less obvious and cheaper than a Toyota Corolla Altis or Honda Civic. Will you go for the all-new Toyota Yaris 1.5 ATIV X or the trusty old Honda City Aspire Prismatic 1.5? Let's find out. पाकिस्तान में यारिस का क्लोजेस्ट कंपटीशन इज होंडा सिटी। सिटी पाकिस्तान में 10-year-old मॉडल है, लेकिन द व्हीकल इज स्टिल लव्ड बाय मेनी। With the arrival of Yaris as a compact sedan, अब पाकिस्तान में customers have another option to consider. Let's deep dive into the comparison of the two cars and see where they stand in all major areas. Yaris comes with a 16-valve DO8C dual VVTi 1496cc, while City का engine is 16-valve SO8C 4-cylinder iVTEC 1497cc. When it comes to fuel average, Yaris's performance is much better due to its 7-speed CVT transmission and multi-port fuel injectors. On the other hand, the City comes with a 5-speed automatic transmission. When it comes to safety, Yaris काफी बेहतर है compared to the City. Yaris equipped है with airbags for both the driver and passenger, as well as ABS with EBD and BA. Now these might just sound like random alphabets to fancy up the car to some of you, but these represent features that are very important for you and your car's safety. ABS or anti-lock braking system prevents the brakes of your car from locking up in the situation of hard braking under tricky conditions and stops it from skidding. The ABS combined with the electronic brake distribution EBD system, which adjusts the braking force between all the wheels depending on the tire grip and conditions to make sure that the front and rear axles yield the best braking force possible without the wheels locking up. And the braking assist, PA or emergency brake assist, which assists by converting the mild pedal push to a complete halt in emergency braking situations, offers a safe and smooth ride for the drivers and its passengers. Yaris is the only compact sedan with vehicle stability control, traction control, further enhancing and maintaining the stability and safety of the car and its passengers in all manners of driving conditions. Unfortunately, none of these features can be found in the City, not even airbags, which is an otherwise pretty decent car. Both the City and Yaris have their own distinct looks. Toyota Yaris, available in 10 color options, displays a unique boldness of character with its exterior. The front of the car boasts sleek and narrow upswept headlights with halogen lights, LED DRLs and fog lamps for those winter nighttime drives. The rear end of the car houses sharp trapezium-styled side-swept headlights with an LED line guide, and the rear bumper has been integrated with reflex reflectors. The Toyota Yaris 2020 also flaunts stylish 15-inch alloy rims, which offer elegance to the car as a whole. Honda City में 7 color options available हैं. It comes in the same shape that the Honda Atlas 2009 was launched in, with only minor modifications to the front grille of the car as well as equipping it with fog lamps and a newly shaped bumper. The City's Aspire variant overall has a sleek design and is equipped with alloy rims with general Eurostar tires and chrome door handles. Yaris comes with short pole antenna, while the City comes with the topic of many memes on the internet. Yes, you guessed it right, the shark fin antenna. Exterior compare करने के बाद अब बारी आती है इंटीरियर की। Yaris में you can open and start the car without ever having to touch the key. This is all because of its smart entry feature. Yaris boasts the digital climate control, while the City only has analog AC control, which looks like something from the early 2000s. The steering wheel on the Toyota Yaris has steering switches, which makes it easy to perform a lot of functions, such as playing music while driving. Talking about playing music, the Toyota Yaris has been equipped with 6 speakers placed around the car compared to the City's 4 speakers. चले इंटीरियर, एक्सटीरियर फीचर्स और परफॉर्मेंस की बात तो हो गई। अब आते हैं सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज पर, स्पेशली क्योंकि काफी लोगों के डिसीजन इस पर बेस्ड होते हैं। That is the price point for the two cars. The starting price for Toyota Yaris has been set at Rs 24,69,000, and depending on the variant and additional features you choose to go with, the price can go up to Rs 29,59,000. This is slightly more expensive than the Honda City Aspire, which can range from Rs 26,29,000 to Rs 27,89,000. However, the safety features and smart technology that the Yaris has been equipped with justifies the higher price of the car. We are excited to see whether the introduction of Toyota Yaris will bring any change to the compact sedan landscape, keeping in mind the difference in features as well as price points.